guys, today we're doing a pizza review with a Pizza Hut and Domino's and Papa John's and Little Caesars.
Alright guys, welcome to Manny's Universe again. And Manny is doing a pizza review, so we're going to go ahead and get started. So Manny, go ahead and pick any pizza you want.
Hey guys, today we're starting with Little Caesars. Look at the menu again.
Alright Manny, what do you rate Little Caesars at?
8.5.
Alright, good job.
I eat the whole thing. Well, my everyone knows the rules. I eat the whole thing?
Make sure you leave some room because you got to try the other pizzas. Which one do you want to try next? You can put that one back. And let's try another one. Which one do you want to try next? Which one's that one?
Domino's.
Alright.
Yeah, I want some more. Open this thing. Boom. It's full. Mama, everyone knows the rules.
Alright, when you get done chewing with that one, tell me what you rate the Domino's pizza, alright? Once you get done chewing. What do you rate the Domino's?
10.
A 10? Alright.
How can you say 13?
13? You can't go that far.
No, that's
It's 1 through 10.
10.
Alright. Alright, we'll go ahead and go with the next one. So close that one, push it a little bit this way towards the Pizza Hut one. On the other side of the Pizza Hut.
How you open? How you?
Or put it on top of the...
Can you help me close this?
Alright guys, we had a little technical difficulties there with the pizza not being fully cut, but...
Mama, everyone knows the rules.
What do you rate Papa John's? Once you're fully done eating. Or chewing on that. What do you rate it?
10.
You gonna rate it a 10?
I just eat one. I only eat one less bite.
Alright, one more. Alright, once you're done with that bite, we'll go ahead and move over to Pizza Hut. That one's falling apart on you already.
You need a napkin. Oh, Daddy, look at this. Look what happened to the piece.
Fell apart a little bit?
Yeah.
Alright. That's okay, give it a bite, let's see. Pretty good? Alright, what do you rate Pizza Hut? Oh, once you're done chewing.
weird. It tastes like onion.
Shouldn't be any onion. That's just pepperoni and cheese.
Oh, and the back right here, it's like onion.
Oh.
I just gave it a 10 again.
You could give it a 10 again? Alright.
This game, I think it was the tonic.
Alright, guys. Well, there you have it. Manny enjoys all pizza. His favorite food is pizza. Even his shirt says it. What's your shirt say? Stand up for us so we can see it. For my next trick, I will make an entire pizza disappear. Alright.
Bye guys. Enjoy my video. It looks fun, and subscribe it and give a like and hit the bell and give a thumbs up. Bye. Stay tuned for more in Manny's Universe.